Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different. As someone who loves shopping and has a tendency to hoard things, I've always been fascinated by minimalism. So, for the next 30 days, I'm going to try living like a minimalist and see how it goes. First things first, I need to get rid of some things. I'm going to start by Marie Kondoing my closet and getting rid of anything that doesn't spark joy. I'm also going to tackle my bookshelves and get rid of any books I haven't read in years. Now that I've decluttered, it's time to start living like a minimalist. This means getting creative with storage solutions and keeping my space as minimal and clutter-free as possible. I've invested in some minimalist home decor and storage solutions to help me achieve this. Cut to footage of simplified daily routine. Voiceover. It's also about simplifying your life and your daily routine. I'm going to try to simplify my beauty routine and meal planning to save time and energy. Cut to final thoughts and reflections. Voiceover. So, it's been 30 days since I started living like a minimalist. And honestly, it's been life-changing. I never realized how much mental clutter all my belongings were causing me. By simplifying my life, I've been able to focus on what's truly important and feel more at peace. I highly recommend everyone try living like a minimalist for a month and see how it affects your life. Now that I've completed my 30-day minimalist challenge, I want to share some of the biggest lessons I learned along the way. The first lesson is that minimalism isn't just about decluttering your physical belongings. It's about simplifying your life as a whole. This includes your daily routine, your social life, and even your mindset. During my challenge, I realized that I was spending a lot of time and energy on social events and activities that didn't truly bring me joy. By cutting back on these activities and focusing on the ones that truly made me happy, I was able to feel more fulfilled and less stressed. Another big lesson I learned was the importance of mindful spending. In the past, I would often make impulse purchases and accumulate a lot of things that I didn't really need or use. By being more mindful about what I was buying and why, I was able to save money and only bring things into my life that truly added value. Perhaps the biggest benefit of living like a minimalist was the positive impact it had on my mental health. By simplifying my life and surroundings, I was able to reduce feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. I also found that I had more time and energy to focus on self-care practices like meditation and yoga. Since completing my minimalist challenge, I've received a lot of questions from viewers about how they can implement minimalism into their own lives. So, in this video, I want to share some tips and tricks for living like a minimalist. One of the first things you can do is be more mindful about your shopping habits. When you're considering buying something, ask yourself if you really need it and if it aligns with your values and priorities. Try to avoid impulse purchases and instead focus on buying things that you truly love and that will add value to your life. Another important aspect of minimalism is decluttering your space. Start by going through your belongings and getting rid of anything that no longer serves a purpose or brings you joy. This could include clothes, books, kitchen gadgets, or anything else that's taking up space in your home. You can also simplify your daily routine by creating a minimalist morning and evening routine. This could include practices like meditation, journaling, or gentle stretching to help you start and end your day with intention. Finally, you can embrace minimalist decor to create a calm and clutter-free space. This could include using neutral colors, simple furniture, and natural textures like wood and linen. In this video, I want to address a common misconception about minimalism, that it's only for people who have the luxury of choosing to live with less. The truth is, minimalism can benefit everyone, regardless of their financial situation. One way to embrace minimalism on a budget is by adopting a minimalist approach to your finances. This could include creating a budget, tracking your expenses, and being mindful about your spending. By living within your means and avoiding unnecessary purchases, you can save money and reduce financial stress. You can also adopt a minimalist approach to your wardrobe, even if you can't afford expensive designer clothing. This could include investing in high-quality basics, shopping second-hand or vintage, and focusing on building a capsule wardrobe of versatile pieces. Voiceover. Another area where minimalism can benefit those on a budget is in meal planning. By simplifying your meals and focusing on whole foods, you can save money on groceries and reduce food waste. Plus, you'll likely find that eating simple, nourishing meals is both satisfying and budget-friendly. Closing shot of minimalist home decor. Voiceover. I hope this video has helped to debunk the myth that minimalism is only for the wealthy. By embracing a minimalist approach to your finances, wardrobe, and meals, you can simplify your life and reduce stress, regardless of your financial situation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.